Hi, in this video I will show you how to add apps to your Discord server. So first things first, head over to the server that you want to add those apps into. Now from in there, click on this plus icon in order to open a new tab and search in here for Discord bots. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here this stop.gg. So head over and click on that. And then just look for the app or bot that you want to add. So for example, let's add in here this cat bot. You can click onto this invite option right here. And after you have clicked on it, you should be able to redirect you to the Discord app in order to authorize the addition of this into your server. Just wait for this to finish the loading process. In here, just scroll down and choose in here the server that you want to add it. I have in here this add the server for the tutorial server. Click on this continue option and make sure to authorize its rules and permissions. And then make sure to answer the verification right here in order to successfully add this bot to your server. So let me just answer this for a bit and it should be able to be added. Now in here, this will add this app into your actual tutorial system. And in here, as you can see, the bot has now been added. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.